No more organs aging timetable. Timetable of aging and degeneration of various organs in the human body, we are all without exception. 1. Brain. Aging starts at the age of 20. The number of nerve cells neurons reaches about 100 billion when a person is born, but it starts to decrease year by year from the age of 20. By the age of 40, the number of nerve cells begins to decrease at a rate of 10,000 per day. 2. Intestine. Aging begins at the age of 55. The number of friendly bacteria in the intestine begins to decrease significantly after we enter the age of 55. As we age, the flow of digestive juices in the stomach, liver, pancreas, and small intestine begins to decrease, leading to constipation. The probability will increase. 3. Breasts. Aging begins at the age of 35. Breast tissue and fat begin to lose, resulting in a decrease in size and fullness. From the age of 40, women's breasts begin to sag and the areola shrinks sharply. As you age, the risk of breast cancer increases. 4. Bladder. Aging starts at the age of 65. If the bladder can hold 2 cups of urine at the age of 30, it can only hold 1 cup at the age of 70. The frequency of urination is more frequent, especially the reduced flexibility of the bladder muscles, which prevents complete emptying of urine, leading to urinary tract infection. 5. Lungs. Aging begins at the age of 20. Lung capacity begins to decline slowly. At the age of 30, the average male will inhale 2 pints, approximately 946 milliliters, of air per breath. By the age of 70, this will drop to 1 pint, approximately 946 milliliters, total 473 milliliters. 6. Voice. Aging starts at the age of 65. Because the soft tissue in the throat weakens, women's voices become hoarse and the quality of the voice becomes lower and lower, while men's voices become weaker and the quality of the voice becomes higher and higher. 7. Eyes. Aging begins at the age of 40. Hyperopia begins, the eye muscles become weaker and weaker, and the eye's focusing ability begins to decline. 8. Heart. Aging starts from the age of 40. Because blood vessels gradually lose elasticity, arteries may also become hardened or become blocked. Men over 45 and women over 55 are more likely to have a heart attack. 9. Liver. Aging begins at the age of 70. The regeneration ability of liver cells is very powerful. He said that after surgery to remove a piece of liver, it will grow into a complete liver within 3 months. 10. Kidneys. Aging begins at the age of 50. The consequence of reduced kidney filtration is that people lose the ability to hold back urine at night and need to run to the bathroom multiple times. The amount of blood filtered by the kidneys of a 75-year-old man is half that of a 30-year-old man. 11. Prostate. Aging begins at the age of 50. The prostate absorbs a large amount of testicular hormones, which can cause prostatic hyperplasia. A normal prostate is as big as a walnut, but an enlarged prostate is as big as an orange. 12. Bones. Aging begins at the age of 35. Children's bones grow very quickly and can be completely regenerated in just 2 years. It takes 10 years for adult bones to completely regenerate. Bone density increases until the age of 25. Bone loss begins at the age of 35. 13. Teeth. Aging begins at the age of 40. Saliva secretion will decrease. Saliva washes away bacteria, and with less saliva, our teeth and gums are more susceptible to decay. 14. Muscles. Aging begins at the age of 30. Muscles are growing and failing, growing again and failing again. After the age of 30, the rate of muscle failure is greater than the rate of growth. After the age of 40, muscles begin to decrease at a rate of 0.5% to 2%. 15. Hearing. Aging begins around the age of 55. This is called presbycusis, which is caused by the loss of hair sensory cells in the inner ear, resulting in a decrease in the ability to accept sound vibrations and transmit them to the brain. 16. Skin. Aging begins around the age of 25. As the production of collagen slows down, and the elasticity of elastin decreases and even breaks, dead skin cells will not fall off quickly. 17. Taste and smell. Begins to deteriorate at the age of 60. There are approximately 10,000 taste buds distributed on the tongue at the beginning of life. This number may be halved after the age of 60. 18. Fertility. Decline begins at age 35. The lining of the uterus may become thinner, making it difficult for a fertilized egg to implant. After the age of 40, men are more likely to have their spouses miscarry due to the decline in sperm quality.